Assalamu alaikum. Stop making boring slide. Just make your slide like this. See the magic. You can also make your presentation like this. Just learn how. Let's start. First of all, go to the insert, go on new slide and simply insert blank slide. Then insert picture, this device, and I hereby select the picture of the city Rome because my presentation is related to this. So insert that image. After this, just bigger the size like this. Now again go to the insert, go to the insert shapes. There is an option of shapes. Go to the rectangle and draw a rectangle on that like this. For this shape outline, select no outline and you can fill this shape according to your color choice. I hereby choose here a lighter color, which is this or this. Okay. Now what to do next? Insert, and here is the option of text box. Again text box, and text box is appear. Write your text here. As my text is Rome, I just write it. Okay. Little bit. Make it size big with control and big bracket. Make it wider. I just set it Arial black and make it size wider. Now what to do next? It is already selected. Press Ctrl and click this image too. Both are selected at a time. Go to the shape format. There is an option merge shapes. Click on the merge shape. Select all merge shape and just click on the intersect. You can see it will appear like that and it is looking so good. So what to do next? Just take another slide in which you want to appear your picture. Again insert, again picture and paste the same picture that you already did. Just like that. Now click this text, make it copy, go on your picture and just paste it like that. Okay. Now make it smaller, smaller and smaller so that you can see the difference between both. Click on that and make it wider. Wider like not so wider, but just it will show on the complete screen like that. And after that, click on the picture format or click on the right click. No, again select this picture, right click, format picture. Go to the fourth option, which is picture, and there is a transparency. Go its transparency so down, almost go on that. Okay. Now go back, click on this picture and make it a little bit wider because it will show you after transition. Okay. And the last step is just click on this picture, go to the transition and select the morph. Okay. And now see the magic. Another fantastic tutorial of PowerPoint are available at my channel. You can also see the link in the description. Thanks for watching.